Have you ever wondered how Python actually works behind the scenes? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language, which means you don't talk directly to the machine. Instead, Python acts like a translator. When you run your code, the Python interpreter reads it line by line, converts it into bytecode, and then a virtual machine executes it. That's why Python feels slower than languages like C++, because there's an extra layer doing the work for us. Now, why do developers love Python so much? One word: simplicity. Python's syntax looks almost like English, so you focus on thinking, not memorizing complicated rules. You don't worry about memory allocation, pointers, or manual cleanup. Python handles all of that through automatic garbage collection, which frees memory you no longer need. Let's talk about the concepts. Variables in Python don't need explicit types. The interpreter figures them out on its own. Functions are first-class citizens, meaning you can pass them around like data. Classes make Python fully object-oriented, and modules let you split your code into clean, reusable pieces. Thanks to packages, you can add thousands of tools with just a single install command. Python's ecosystem is another big reason for its popularity. NumPy gives you lightning-fast mathematical operations and is written mostly in C. Pandas helps you handle data easily and is built on top of NumPy. TensorFlow lets you build neural networks and is written in C++ with Python as the front layer. Django and Flask make web development faster and cleaner. Pygame makes building small games fun and simple. And the best part? The community keeps growing, so there's always a library for whatever you want to create. But Python isn't perfect. Because it's interpreted, it runs slower than compiled languages. It also uses more memory, and with the global interpreter lock, heavy multi-threaded tasks can become tricky. Still, for beginners and even advanced developers, Python remains one of the easiest and most flexible languages to think, build, and experiment with. So if you're learning Python right now, trust me, you're on a great path. You can use it for AI, web apps, automation, data science, games, and so much more. If this helped you, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment what topic you want explained next.